550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Page Tower, Sherry 247 Victor is 13 miles north of the airfield at 3,500 feet, with Mike requesting full stop landing.
Sherry 247 Victor, Page Tower, continue inbound for left base, runway 13.
Left base for runway 23, Sherry 247 Victor.
Runway 13.
1347 Victor.
47 Victor, say you're heading.
I'm trying now to just spot the airport, and I'm now trying to establish on left downwind for 1 right.
No sir, you're supposed to be going to 13 on a left base.
Left base for runway 13. Was it 47 Victor?
Affirmative, sir. You're supposed to be going to a left base to runway 13. I don't know why you're going eastbound there.
Sir, I tried to establish on left downwind first for 13.
No, sir, I told you to go to the left base. Why would you go to the downwind? 47 Victor, make a right turn for the left base to runway 13. You're still going the wrong way.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to make sure. I was heading for 13. Cherokee 47 Victor.
47 Victor, you should have never got that far east. You were basically on a left base when you crossed the river in downtown. I don't know why you turned eastbound.
I wanted to establish on a 45 left downwind for one-way 13, sir.
Well, sir, I did tell you to enter a left base. I never said go to the downwind. I said left base.
I'm aware of that, sir. 47 Victor.
Sir, you need to pay attention. We give you instructions for a reason. You're clear to land runway 13. Verify you have the airport in sight.
Yes, sir. I have the airport 9 o'clock, and I'm clear to land runway 13. Cherokee 47 Victor.
Victor, turn right on taxiway Alpha.
Right on Alpha, Cherokee 47 Victor.
47 Victor, ahead on Alpha, turn right on Alpha 3 and cross 5.
Cherokee 47 Victor, I'll be requesting a taxi to the FBO.
47 Victor, Alpha, turn right on Alpha 3.
Right on Alpha 3, Cherokee 47 Victor. Cherokee 47 Victor, do you want me to taxi on Alpha 3 via taxiway Bravo?
Sir, you are completely lost, aren't you? I said Alpha to Alpha 3. That's Alpha 5 that you just turned on.
Onto Alpha 3?
47 Victor, that's not Alpha 3, that's Alpha 5. I told you Alpha to Alpha 3.
Okay, Alpha to Alpha 3, I'll continue on Alpha, 47 Victor.
47 Victor, the right turn there is Alpha 3, cross runway 5 to Charlie 2 into the ramp.
Cross runway 5 and to Charlie 3 to the ramp. Sure.
No sir, I said Charlie 2.
Thank you.
Victor, I didn't tell you to turn on Charlie, did I?
Sir, you said Charlie 3.
I said Charlie 2, sir, twice.
Turning on to Charlie 2, Cherokee 47 Victor. Ground, Cherokee 47 Victor, is it possible to taxi on to Charlie 3?
Continue up Charlie, left turn Charlie 3, but from now on you need to pay attention to what you're told, sir, because you haven't caught one thing right since you got here.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll head now straight and then left on Charlie 3. Cherokee 47 Victor.